Begin this recipe by making a mountain of flour that has a sprinkle of salt on your work surface. You could use a bowl, but it's not half as cool, yo. Make a small dent in the center and crack 1 egg into it. Whisk the egg to break it up and start to incorporate the flour into the egg a little at a time. Beware of escaping egg. Start to bring everything together with your hands. Add some olive oil and some cold water a little at a time and begin to work into the flour. When the dough has come together, knead until a smooth dough has formed, then cover and let calm down for 30 minutes. For the filling, add chopped onion to a bowl, pork mince, chopped garlic, fresh chopped dill, black pepper, and a little salt. Beat your meat until smooth. Once the dough is calm, begin to roll out. If you have a rolling pin, good for you. Use that. I currently don't. Improvise, adapt, overcome. You want the dough to triple in size and be almost paper thin. Use a cup, a cookie cutter or whatever to cut out your skins. Pile them up and place under a wet tea towel until you're ready to use. Add a teaspoon of filling to the center of the skin. Fold in half so it looks like a half moon shape and then begin to pinch the edges together to seal. Grab the two corners and pull together, pinch to seal. You'll end up with whatever this shape is. Bring a pot of water to boil and add the pelmeni. Cook for 5 minutes. To serve, make it rain with some fresh chopped dill and a drizzle of vinegar or whatever you like. Now hit that subscribe button because I upload new videos every Wednesday.